Hi everyone, my name's Peter Hall, he, him. I am here to say a big thank you to our specialist education track presenters and to give a speaker gift to Nicky, Kai, Paige, Charles and Adam. Please can we give them a big round of applause?
Do you mean Nikki, Sally and Amanda?
Absolutely.
Yes. Nikki, Sally and Amanda! Hey!
Thank you, Nicky, Sally and Amanda. I'm not going to make them share a mug. There are some more over here.
There would be a lot of fighting otherwise. All right. We're nearly done. We're nearly done. Hang on. How good was today? So good. So good. I wish I knew how to slides. It's been a day. If only someone would do something. Yeah, there we go. I swear I've driven a computer before. That was the student showcase. How awesome was that? And now it's time for dinner. Almost. But this is How You Dinner. This is a self-organized dinner. In case this isn't clear, we have it broken down in a step-by-step guide for you. So it's kind of a tradition at PyCon to accidentally DOS a random restaurant. So maybe instead of that, we could go in small groups to different restaurants. Oh, wow. And not give the waitstaff such a massive headache. So these distributed groups could go to different places and have lovely evening plans. If you haven't been outside in a little while, it's quite warm. Just a heads up. Have a delightful evening. Have you had fun? Have you enjoyed the education track? Thank you all so much. There is more PyCon tomorrow and the next day. Tomorrow starts at 9 o'clock, I believe, the keynote. We will see, hopefully, all of you. And if you have questions, remember that the Discord has people in it and we can point you towards speakers and notes and all of that jazz. But in the meantime, have a delightful evening. I do have another slide that says literally have a delightful evening, but this is the message that you need to remember. There's a question. Yes, that is definitely worth a shout out. Thank you. If this is your first PyCon, there is a first timers session. I think it's at 8:25, something like that. If this is not your first PyCon, but it's been a while, like maybe a year, you can also go to the first timers session just for a refresher. It is very welcoming. Thank you all. Have a fantastic night. Massive round of applause for all our speakers, for our audience.